Kamli Shanmugam is a naughty, happy-go-lucky girl who lives in the village Nadukkaveri in Tamil Nadu. Her days are filled with mischief, laughter, and the freedom that only a carefree rural childhood can provide. She roams the lush green fields, climbs trees, and often returns home with torn skirts and a bright smile that makes it hard for anyone to scold her. She studies in a Tamil medium state board school there, a modest institution where dreams are usually limited to small jobs or early marriages. She has an elder brother who studies in a convent because her father doesn't believe in properly educating a girl. To her father, investing in a son's education is a necessity, while educating a daughter is a luxury, an opinion sadly shared by many in their village. Her brother earns the fury of their father after he fails his 12th board exams. The failure not only shatters expectations but also shifts her father's frustrations toward Kamli, increasing the pressure on her to conform to his wishes. She doesn't have a big dream until she sees the interview of the CBSE national topper Ashwin, who later goes to IIT Madras. The sight of someone so intelligent, confident, and articulate leaves her awestruck. Kamli falls in love with Ashwin at first sight, whom she has never seen before, and aspires to join IIT only for him. It wasn't just admiration, it was fascination, a sudden awakening of something deeper than a childish crush. She realizes that joining there is very hard for a girl like her and seeks help from her best friend, Valli, who knows Kamli's love for Ashwin, to help her. Valli, always a loyal confidant, takes Kamli's dreams seriously and starts collecting old textbooks and exam guides to help her. Her father puts forth a condition that if she fails to clear the exams, she had to marry her relative. This threat hangs heavy in the air like a sword, pushing Kamli into a race against time and fate. Subramani, a teacher in her school, suggests her to seek guidance from retired Professor Arivudanambi, but a trouble seems to await her as the professor has been the person who was irritated by Kamli's tactics earlier. Kamli remembers the incident clearly, how her playful antics had once embarrassed the very professor she must now convince. Yet she tries to impress Arivu, to no avail, as he refuses, in anger, to coach her. The door slams shut in her face, leaving her in tears. However, the following day, he calls to apologize to her only to realize that she really has the potential to crack JEE Mains and advanced. Something in her eyes, raw sincerity, untapped brilliance, changes his mind. Since that day, Kamli regularly and sincerely attends coaching sessions that help her excel in studies at her school as well. Her days become disciplined, her nights restless yet productive. She successfully cracks the entrance exams that earn her a seat in the B.Tech Computer Science Department in IIT Madras. Her family and Valli are stunned with pride and disbelief. Kamli shifts to her hostel room there that is shared with an arrogant girl, chemical engineering batch. The hostel environment is a whole new world for Kamli, and the adjustment is not easy. She becomes jealous upon learning that a village girl like Kamli scored better than her in the entrance exam. Kamli, being childish and innocent, considers her a friend and tells her roommate that she came there in search of a boy she is in love with. Her roommate laughs off the comment but secretly stores it away. Kamli stumbles upon Ashwin there, and she madly starts to follow him wherever he goes and comes. She watches him in the library, the canteen, the lecture halls, never daring to speak but always watching. She is shown to be jealous of Ashwin's best friend, Priya, with whom he is close with. Priya's easy bond with Ashwin and polished demeanor remind Kamli of everything she lacks. All seems to go fine until the semester results come out and Kamli realizes that she has failed the exams. The ground beneath her seems to collapse. A professor comes to her and asks about the reason for the failure. A frightful surprise waits for her when one of her classmates tells the sir that she was busy wooing her prince. She feels dejected when the students there nickname her Cinderella. A fairy tale reference turned into ridicule, it follows her down corridors and whispers in the library. She becomes the famous topic there and everyone learns about her love. Embarrassed, she sits in a deserted cafeteria only to be interrupted by Ashwin and his gang. The cafeteria is eerily silent except for their mocking laughter. She overhears Ashwin's conversation about her being the Cinderella girl and her heart breaks when he tells his friends that he definitely cannot be the joker Kamli is in love with. The words strike her like a slap, the rejection more painful than anything she expected. Heartbroken, she confronts her roommate when she realizes that her roommate was the one who spread her secret about her love. Her roommate, who now started to like Kamli, apologizes to her but Kamli refuses to forgive her and angrily returns to Nadukkaveri. Her return is quiet and filled with shame, but her village welcomes her warmly, unaware of the storm inside her. She meets her professor Arivu, who now teaches many kids there to write entrance exams. Seeing him again reminds her of the journey she took, the pain, the growth, the potential she still holds. She realizes that her teacher loves and trusts her immensely. She becomes ashamed of herself for following a boy instead of studying. His disappointment is not voiced, but it is understood. Reinvigorated, she returns to her college. Her head held high this time, not in pride, but in purpose. Kamli now starts to focus completely on studies and pushes her thoughts of Ashwin completely away and avoids him. Her days are now filled with library hours, coding sessions, and study groups. She starts getting good grades there. Roommate and Kamli become friends and write a quiz. To Kamli's dismay, she learns that Ashwin and she are selected for the Inter-IIT National Quiz Competition and refuses to go. She doesn't want to confront her past again. Her roommate convinces her, telling that it may be a good exposure for her. Ashwin becomes annoyed when he finds that Kamli is selected instead of his friend, Priya. Ashwin, Kamli and an IIT professor travel to Delhi for the competition. The capital feels overwhelming, the atmosphere heavy with academic pressure. She, uncomfortable with Ashwin's presence, spills coffee on her dress and embarrasses herself in front of Ashwin. He asks her if she is still in love with her prince, to which she replies she does not know but definitely he is her inspiration. Kamli gets an unknown admirer, Varun Singh, a contestant from IIT Kanpur. Varun tries to flirt with her during breakfast which Ashwin realizes and advises her to stay away from Varun. His concern is puzzling but slightly comforting. The competition, telecast in TV, is watched proudly by Kamli's family. Everyone in her village gathers around the only TV set to watch their shining star. Kamli blunders in the first round but qualifies to finals after another team gets disqualified. The tension is palpable as every moment could mean triumph or defeat. Ashwin angrily scolds her later. The stakes are too high for error. IIT Madras and IIT Kanpur ties in the final round. For the tie-breaker, Varun Singh from the opposite team chooses Kamli as his opponent, realizing her weakness. All eyes turn to her, the room still with expectation. But Kamli, however, answers correctly to win the quiz, making Ashwin delighted. A smile breaks across his face for the first time since the trip began. Her family, who had been watching her in TV, get happy tears since Kamli becomes an inspiration for all children in Nadukkaveri. The entire village bursts into celebration, proud of the girl who dared to dream. Ashwin realizes that he was Kamli's crush. He stares at Kamli while returning in the train. Their eyes meet, unspoken emotions hanging between them. He responds by pouring the coffee on himself when she finds him looking at her. She laughs for the first time in days. He asks her if the boy she loved was him. She responds it may be, smiling back. In the end, Kamli's story is not just about a village girl who fell in love, it is about a girl who found herself. What began as a simple crush transformed into an extraordinary journey of self-discovery, courage, and growth. From the dusty lanes of Nadukkaveri to the competitive corridors of IIT Madras, Kamli faced ridicule, heartbreak, and failure. But she rose, again and again, not because she had something to prove to the world, but because she discovered that her dreams were her own to define. In winning a quiz, she did more than claim a trophy, she reclaimed her identity, her voice, and her future. And as the train rolled through the night, carrying her back home with a smile and a spark in her heart, one thing was certain, Kamli Shanmugam would never again chase someone else's shadow. She had become the light.